I am alive.
Scientists made a breakthrough by developing the Super Magdrive thruster, a propulsion system that uses any metal as fuel, allowing spacecraft to fly indefinitely. Developed by the University of Southampton, this innovation has the potential to revolutionize deep space exploration by eliminating traditional fuel limitations. Currently undergoing testing, it could unlock new frontiers in space travel. In this video, we'll explore how the technology works, why it's important, and how it compares to other propulsion systems, shaping the future of space exploration. So without further ado, let's get started.
let's let's get started mining
The Super
space.
Magdrive represents a revolutionary leap in
What's
space
up, Art?
propulsion technology, departing from the conventional use of rare gas fuels like xenon and krypton.
This is just another innovation made for space applications, which will help, in my opinion, lead us to mining asteroids, for which they're going to tell you here in a minute they're actually going to be doing, like I've said for years.
Instead, it uses metals such as iron, aluminum, or copper,
Here it
which are
comes.
abundant across the solar system. This innovation significantly reduces the need for spacecraft to carry all their fuel from Earth. In practice, spacecraft could land on asteroids, moons, or comets, harvest metals, and continue their journey.
Did you hear that? Asteroid mining for fuel for the engines that we're now creating. Asteroid mining.
Making deep
I've been talking about that for a while.
space exploration far more feasible. Dr. Minkwon Kim, the lead scientist on the project, points out that one of the primary obstacles to long-duration space missions is the cost and complexity of fuel. Launching fuel from Earth requires vast amounts of energy, and once in space, the finite fuel supply limits a spacecraft's operational range. However, with the Super Magdrive, spacecraft can refuel using readily available metals found in space, drastically cutting mission costs and enabling spacecraft to travel farther and longer.
That's what they
The
just said.
adaptability of this propulsion system is what makes it truly versatile. Whether it's powering small satellites,
Not only that, if they can put an asteroid mining device on a spaceship, it's awful small, which means they've downsized or micro-sized asteroid mining equipment already.
supporting crewed missions, or enabling probes to explore distant planets, it offers significant advantages in terms of efficiency and sustainability. The University of Southampton, in collaboration with a pioneering British firm, has made remarkable progress in moving this technology closer to real-world applications. This effort has drawn the attention of industry leaders, including SpaceX, which recognizes the transformative potential of the system for advancing its ambitious space exploration objectives.
Quiet.
Fire TV has so many great recommendations.
Yeah, serves up the best options
Hey,
from all my
great
apps in one
commercial.
place. It's like
SpaceX has consistently pushed technological boundaries, incorporating advanced propulsion systems like plasma thruster technology into its Falcon 9 rockets. Plasma thrusters generate propulsion by using electrically charged gases, plasma, aligning with the Super Magdrive's innovative approach of using metal-based fuels. This Magdrive technology has a potential role in NASA's Artemis program, which aims to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon by the end of this decade. It could enable spacecraft to refuel on the moon using metal-rich lunar resources. The same principle could be applied to Mars exploration, where SpaceX's Starship program is leading the charge. Mars moons, Phobos and Deimos, as well as nearby asteroids, could provide the necessary metals for refueling, allowing spacecraft to extend their missions or even establish refueling stations in orbit around Mars. This capability would provide a launch pad for further deep space exploration.
You listening to
This
all this?
also
We're talking,
opens the door
we're gonna
for
meet
asteroid mining.
Spox and
Spacecraft could
and the
land on
Ferengi.
metal-rich asteroids extract the necessary materials for
See
fuel,
that?
and
The
continue
little
their
asteroid
journey
mining
without
device
returning
right
to
there.
Earth. Looking
The
beyond
collect-
lunar and Martian
Boom,
exploration,
they've already got it
the
made.
technology could also play a pivotal role in deep space missions. For example, NASA's Interstellar Probe concept, which aims to explore the outermost regions of the solar system, would require a long-duration propulsion system. Additionally, it could contribute to interstellar missions, such as the Breakthrough Starshot Initiative, a conceptual mission designed to reach Proxima Centauri, the nearest star system. In such missions, the ability to refuel using metals found in distant star systems would be vital for sustainability and the success of interstellar exploration. While still theoretical, these missions represent the future of space travel. As Elon Musk has emphasized, making space travel economically sustainable is essential for achieving humanity's long-term ambitions, particularly for missions aimed at Mars and beyond. The Super Magdrive, with its ability to refuel indefinitely in space, represents a monumental step toward realizing these goals and expanding humanity's reach to the outer planets.
I love
and
finding
perhaps even
videos that
beyond.
validate what I've been saying for years. You're going to hear about a nuclear-powered rocket engine.
Although the Super Magdrive is a
well.
game changer, it's important to compare it to other cutting-edge technologies that are also being developed to overcome the limitations of traditional chemical rockets. One such technology is VASIMR, Variable Specific Impulse Magnetoplasma Rocket, created by the Ad Astra Rocket Company. VASIMR uses radio waves to ionize fuel, generating thrust through the expulsion of plasma at high velocities. Like the Super Magdrive, VASIMR is designed for long-duration deep space missions, offering higher efficiency over greater distances. NASA has expressed interest in utilizing VASIMR for missions to Mars and beyond, as it has the potential to drastically reduce travel times while conserving fuel. Another promising propulsion system is nuclear thermal propulsion, NTP. This technology uses nuclear reactions to heat a propellant, such as hydrogen, to produce thrust. Both NTP and Super Magdrive aim to provide long-term.
Now, I've done a video on these rocks, these three mineral rocks that have conjoined together that actually separate water and hydrogen, so they can actually start looking at new rocket engine designs that incorporate those rocks just in water, and they can, or actually they can get space ice from any asteroid. The comets you see, the dust in the comet cloud is ice burning off, so they can stop, pick up ice, turn it into water, have these rocks inside there somehow changing the water from to make it pure water, O2, and get taking the hydrogen out, and then using the hydrogen, just like what they said here. They're using hydrogen heated up through the nuclear system.
Sustainable travel by reducing reliance on earthbound resources.
And why is it that looks like a Star Wars vehicle from the Rebels fleet? Huh. They're trying to psychologically put us in this state of mind here.
NTP could reduce travel time to Mars by half, making it a top contender for future human missions. Its focus on maximizing efficiency and minimizing
nuclear
fuel
rocket
needs
engine. The
is in
Russians
line with the goals
been working
of
on that. I
sustainable
did
space
a video
travel.
on it.
Additionally, electric propulsion systems like ion thrusters have proven highly efficient in space travel. These systems use electric energy to accelerate ions, generating thrust. NASA's Dawn spacecraft, which explored asteroids Vesta and Ceres, successfully used ion propulsion. While these systems are efficient, they rely on specific fuels like xenon, which makes them less versatile compared to the Super Magdrive's ability to use a wider range of metals found in space. Solar sails offers another
By the
exciting
way, this is a
alternative.
NASA news channel.
Solar
It's
sails harness
publicly
the
funded by
pressure of
tax dollars.
sunlight
They
to
can't get
propel
me for
spacecraft, requiring no fuel at all.
trademark or whatever.
Projects like NASA's NEA Scout and the Planetary Society's Light Sail are pushing this technology forward. However, solar sails are limited by the intensity of sunlight, making them less effective for missions to the outer planets.
Solar sails are not that good.
The Super Magdrive can function in darker, more distant regions of space. Finally, NASA's Breakthrough Propulsion Physics program explores revolutionary propulsion concepts like warp drives and faster than light travel. While still theoretical, these ideas share the Super Magdrive's ambition to break free from current propulsion
FTL.
limitations and
Faster than
unlock the
light.
next era of deep space exploration.
They're actually looking at the faster than light technology. If you look at light waves, they go up and down, up and down, up and down. They're looking at a technology that can basically just surf the highs of the light waves. So that way you can actually go 3 times faster, to 3 to 5 times faster than the speed of light, which would actually be a type of time travel.
Thank you for watching.
You're
If
welcome.
you enjoyed learning about the Super Magdrive and its
Man,
potential
did
to
I ever
revolutionize
enjoy
space
this.
travel,
I
be sure
enjoyed it so much. I shared it with everybody. You guys enjoyed that? I hope so, since no one's here. No, I got one person here. But anyhow, yeah, I just wanted to do that report because I came across it and it like validates what I've been saying for years about we're going to be asteroid mining. Heck, they've already got a machine out there to mine, a small machine that'll mine for copper, zinc, or magnesium, whatever else that mineral was that they're going for their space engines. So they've already developed all that stuff. So they've been working on this. Like I said, man, it's going to be a technological revolution. It's just around the corner. It's going to change everything. With that being said, you guys have a good evening. Be kind, helpful, and grateful. Buy some silver, some platinum, and some crystallized osmium. And like, share, and subscribe. And make sure to have a good evening. Thank you for joining.